Hi and welcome to casualdiy channel. My name is Tomasz and today I will be announcing the winners of my giveaway. Stay tuned. Before I'm going to announce the names of the winners, I just want to say thank you to all of you that participated in this giveaway, that are part of my channel and you watch my videos basically. I wouldn't get here without you, without your support and without your time. So thank you very much, and I hope you're going to stick around on my channel and watch my videos in the future. I would also like to thank you Evolution Power Tools UK for supplying the sliding miter saw as the main prize, the R210 SMS. It's absolutely a brilliant tool, and I've got a bigger sister of that saw, so if you're interested in see how it performs and how it looks, I'll link it up above as well so you can check it out. But thank you very much to those guys for supporting my channel. And if you're interested in any of their tools, I'll link the website down below, and obviously also they've got a YouTube channel, so check them out as well. That would be greatly appreciated. But let's see who are the lucky winners.
Okay then, so here we go. This is the video. We've got 78 comments, out of which we'll choose the winner. As you can see, I'm using random.org to actually choose the winners. I'm putting 78 comments and let's start. So the first number is 23, second number is 8, third is 9, and the last one is 58. So now it's time to check out the comments and who's the winner. Right then, so let's have a look who's our first winner. And congratulations, it's Danny Gillespie. I'm pretty sure I'm butchering that name, but you are the winner of the autographs. Congratulations. Please get in touch with me via my email. And it's time to see who's the second winner. Let's count it up. And congratulations, the second winner is Ghost XPS, and you have won autographs and 2 small serving boards. Again, please get in touch via my email. Okay, let's start at the top, let's scroll down to the bottom and see who is the third lucky winner. And it is Karol from KK May. Congratulations, you have won a book about jointing and 2 egg holders in the shape of a bunny. Congratulations, mate. And now it's the moment we've been all waiting for. Let's check out who is the lucky winner of the Evolution R210 SMS sliding miter saw. The number we're looking for is 58. So let's have a look. And the winner is Javier Diaz. Congratulations, you've won a sliding miter saw. Please send me an email with your postage details.
So let's do a quick recap. So I'm gonna use my notes here so I don't make any mistakes. So the 14 autographs of the biggest makers of YouTube are going to Danny Gillespie. Sorry, I probably butchered your name so many times. I do apologise for that. Then we've got the second prize, which was the autographs and 2 small serving boards. That is going to Ghost XPS. And the book and the egg holders are going to Karol from KK Make. And the main prize, which is the R210 SMS sliding miter saw, is going to Javier Diaz. I would like to ask all the winners to actually get in touch with me, as the messaging on YouTube is actually kind of not working. So get in touch via email. It's casualdiy@gmail.com. Get in touch with me, supply me your mailing addresses, and all those prizes will go to you right on Monday. Once again, thank you very much to everybody for participating in this giveaway. Congratulations to all you happy winners. Please get in touch with me, send me an email with your mailing details, and I will ship your prizes as soon as possible. But thank you everybody for participating in my giveaway and being a part of my channel. I hope you will enjoy my future videos and my future projects. So guys, just a short one announcement of these prizes for today. That's all. I'm hoping you're gonna stick with me and, you know, come again next week to see my another video, another woodworking adventure. Thank you very much for watching. Till next week, take care.